Please take this message. Take this message. The message is very, very sweet and very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. It's about Nnamdi Kanu. A flash of thunder flashed, and the thunder was strike a knot. After the striking of the thunder, the news changed. Nobody can kill Nnamdi Kanu. The flash of the thunder will flash, and the thunder will blow, and they will release him and take him back to Westerner. He will go back to Westerner, and the race will continue. That's what I saw. It's coming to happen. So nobody can kill him. Nobody can kill him. So it's a good message. The hope of Nnamdi Kanu's followers is intact.